Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power of x plus 3 equal to 30. Solution: 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power of x plus 3 equal to 30. In law of indices, whenever we have a raised to the power of m plus n is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. If that be 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 3 equal to 30. In this case, we look for what is common. What is common is 5 raised to the power of x into 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 equal to 30. Then we continue. We have 5 raised to the power of x into 5 squared gives us 25 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 gives us 125 equal to 30. If we add 25 to 125, we have 5 raised to the power of x into 150 equal to 30. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of 5 raised to the power of x, which is 150. We have 5 raised to the power of x into 150 all over 150 equal to 30 all over 150. 150 can cancel 150, left with 5 raised to the power of x equal to 0 cancel 0, 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 15 gives us 1 all over 5. Now we still have law of indices where we can change fraction to power. If we have 1 over n, for example, is equal to n raised to the power of minus 1, we apply this to this expression above. We have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of minus 1. Now we compare the base. If we compare the base 5, we cancel base 5, left with the powers, which is x equal to minus 1 as the answer. Now let's check if our answer is correct. What we do, we substitute minus 1 in place of x in the original equation. And when we do that, we will have 5 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power of x plus 3 equal to 30. Put x equal to minus 1. When we put x equal to minus 1, we are having 5 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 3 will it give us 30. 5 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 2 gives us 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 3 gives us 5 raised to the power of 2. Is it equal to 30? 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5 plus 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. Is it equal to 30? 5 plus 25 gives us 30, which is equals to 30. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side, so our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.